Then we are going to do many activities in your textbook. First, we are going to draw this pattern. Okay, observe the pattern. This code is used for draw that pattern. Observe each line by line. First line, from turtle import star. This is used to import the graphical statement. Then pen size, color black, yellow. Then 4 are in range 4. The given statements are executed in 4 time. It is used to draw 4 circles like this. Then RT90. Then begin fill. It is used to fill the color inside the circles. Then 4 I in range 40, 100 and 120. First we draw a circle with the size 40. Then 40 plus 20, 60. Then draw the circle with the size of 60. Then 60 plus 20, 80. Then draw another circle with the size 80. Then 101 is the limit for loop. Another one circle I. I is the value of the range of circle. Then end fill is written below the begin fill. Okay. Then execute the program. Run module. Observe the pattern. Then we are going to do another program. Draw a pattern like this. The code is given below. Observe the code. Color black, violet, pink, orange, red. Then pen size 3. Then for loop. Then some statement written inside the for loop. Color black, comma, n. N is the color given above the loop. Then begin fill. Then the circle statement. Circle used for draw the circle. Then begin fill and end fill. The circle, it's used to draw the circles, and the begin fill and the end fill. It's fill the colors inside the circle. Then another loop for J in range. It is the statement used for draw the circles. Here first draw the circle with 60 range. Okay, then run the program. Okay, observe the pattern. We get the picture like this. Similarly, we can draw many patterns like this. Okay, observe the pattern. The circles are drawn with the mentioned colors. We can make some modification in this picture. We get different patterns. Okay. Observe the pattern. It's very interesting. Then we are going to do another program. Draw a square like this. The code for this pattern is given. First execute the code. So observe the pattern, how it's draw the different squares with different colors. Okay, then observe the program statements. In this program statement, first we mention a for loop. It is used for draw the square 4 times. The statement repeated, so the result is a square. Then RT 90 degree, turn right 90 degree, then the statement size is 100. Then another loop is used for fill the color inside the square. Then outline color is black. Then end color, that is mentioned above the statements, for loop statements. Here the colors are blue, green, yellow, red. Each time the statement is executed, the color is changed. The end value mentioned the color. Okay, then finally another for loop statement. It is used to adjust the size of the square. Here size, first statement, the size is 100. In each time executed, the size will be decreased by 20. So another loop statement used for change the size. First for loop is used for draw the square. Then second for loop is used to set the color. Another loop is used to change the size. Okay, here mentioned colors are blue, green, yellow, red. First blue, then green, then yellow, then red. Okay, just we made some modification in the program. Here I changed the color red. Then observe the picture. Observe the pattern. Just we get only 3 squares because there we just mentioned only 3 colors, then changed yellow. Then observe the pattern, save the program, then run. We get only 2 squares with the 2 colors. Okay, similarly we made some modification in the size value. Here I changed the size 40. Then save the program and observe the code. Okay, the size of rectangle changed. Okay, here a lot of colors, purple, green, yellow, red, purple, grey, brown. Then change the size. Okay, then observe the pattern. We get many squares inside with the different colors. Okay.